Okay, this is my first voiceover, so bear with me here. This is Long Beach, Mississippi, and this is the vacation house. So there is no first floors. It's like a carport and sitting areas and recreation areas under the house. You can also see the ocean and the beach from under the house here. They even provided some ocean, some beach toys, some table tennis area. There's two stairwells. So this is one, and it enters from the kitchen side. We had already started unpacking when I did this video. So don't tell me why this video is this slow. I tried my best. This is my first time. And it took me a million attempts. So I said, forget it. I'm just going to take the slow version. So then enters the dining room. That's your dining room right there, and your living room. And you still have, that's the other door that you can go in on the opposite side of the house. There's the stairs right there. There's the beach and the ocean. I'm the camera girl here. Okay, some fast and quick versions. Don't really ask me how I did that. I don't know how I did that. This is the boys' room. It had two twin beds. This is the second bathroom and Lex. This is the middle room. Queen size bed, I believe. The master here. So the master had a walk-in closet with some Pee Wee Herman bikes. That's what I called them. A stand-up shower, separate tub. And then it wraps back around to the kitchen. And that's me and Lex at sunset right outside the house there.